What's up, beauties? Welcome back. Today we're going to do a faux lock tutorial. So if you like what you're seeing in the pictures, in the video, stick around. So first of all, I'm going to show you the braid pattern, which is right here real quick. Loose in the front, braided in the back. Now, as you can see, I skipped forward and I'm showing you how I started. Well, not how I started, but I'm showing you how I did the loose part in the front because I figured the crochet is pretty self-explanatory. Basically, everybody knows how to do a crochet. So, I'm new at this, so bear with me. I mean, I'm new. I've been doing my hair for a long time, but I'm new at recording myself, do my hair, and I'm not the most physically coordinated person. So, yeah. I think you can get the gist of it. So basically, you're starting off with a plait or a box braid. Then you're gonna crochet the hair through the plait, and then if you look closely, if you can see the camera correctly, yeah, if you look closely, you can see I'm pulling the braid through. I'm pulling my natural hair through the crochet hair, kind of, right? So then once I get it through, I'm going to take the crochet hook and I'm going to put my natural braid inside the crochet braid, if that makes sense. You'll see it happening. You know, what they call hindsight is 2020. Because I wish I would have got a better angle. But, you know, we going to make it do what it do. So, yeah, as you can see through my fat fingers, I'm struggling. I'm fighting for my life. Trying to get that braid in there. But all we got to do is get it in. That's the main part. Get it in there. Okay, there we go. And once you get it in, then you just you get your crochet hair. Not your crochet hair, you get your loose hair. And you crochet that loose hair in, like so. Nothing too complicated. Just take a little piece of hair, put the hook through it, pull it through, right? So then you just anchor one part of the hair against your faux lock, and then you twist the loose part around. And you keep your hand, you keep it tight. You kind of want to keep it tight and twist fast. Yeah, just do a loop-de-loop and pull. So once you twist it all the way down, and the reason why I say I keep it tight is so it'll be smooth. Now, you can be more loose with it, but if you're loose with it, it's going to be more like a distressed look, which is pretty, but I didn't want to go with the distressed look. I wanted a more sleek, kind of smooth look. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? So, yeah. So, you do that, and then you get your dots to be glued, and then you just spray it, and then you kind of just palm roll it like you would do a traditional lock. And we got that one. So, yeah. So, we're going to skip on and do one more for you. I think so. Yeah. We're going to do another one for you. Just to make sure you're getting the drift of it. Getting the gist of it. So, yeah, just pull that loop through. And get your natural hair. And then you're going to crochet that loop right onto your natural hair. And pull it through. And once you pull it through, pull that braid through with it. then you're just going to conceal your braid inside the faux lock. And honestly, you don't have to always conceal it because you're going to hide it with the other hair anyway. But, you know, if you want to conceal it, you can conceal it. It's no big deal, no biggie. Now, you can also do this without wrapping around the hair. So if you don't want to wrap around the hair, you just want, I think they're just regular faux locks, not the soft locks. This is technically soft locks. If you want just faux locks, you can just tuck your braid inside, which takes more talent than I'm willing to offer. So I just wrap the hair around. So I feel like you got the gist now, so I'm just going to speed it up. And you can kind of see it's just like a little time lapse of what I was doing. So yeah, I don't know. You can skip this part if you don't want to see it. But I personally, when I'm doing my hair, I enjoy watching other people do their hair. So, you know, if you're not that type of person, you don't have to watch me do it. But it'd be great if you did. So I'm just speeding it up. And of course, you can slow it down too. Like if you still don't get what I'm saying or see what I'm doing, you know, you can slow it down. Yeah, you can slow it down and just watch what I'm doing. It's pretty easy. This is like the third time I attempted this style. But this is the first time, you know, I really put some elbow grease in it and really, I was focused. I wanted to get it done this time. So, you know, we got it done. Yeah, we did that. I think I'm doing the last one, the last loose braid right now. Because, you know, the back is going to be crocheted. So, I'm doing the last loose one. And you see, it's really giving. It's giving faux lock realness right now. Okay, and looks like I'm pulling through the loose hair on this last one in the front and doing the wraparound again. Which this is so simple, honestly. So simple. And it comes out cute every time. Yeah, and it looks like I ran out of loose hair there, and that's the beauty of these. If you run out of loose hair, you just get some more and start back where you're in. Just make sure you wrap it around real tight, and nobody will ever know the difference. It'll still be seamless. Is what it'll be. Seamless, not steamless. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a little turnaround. See the back. See my braid pattern in the back. So yeah, that's what we looking like right now. And that takes the most effort. The rest of it it's like crocheting it is a zip. And right here is where I started to feel myself. You see how seamless that install is so far? It's almost undetectable, right? You can pull it over. You can't really see the braids at all. So I was really starting to feel myself right there. So I'm not good at edges, so forgive me. Let's see the reveal. Oh, wait. Wait a minute. Hold on. Okay, she did a little something. I mean, it ain't perfect. It looked better before I put the wrap on, you know. Some of the edges got disheveled a little, but it still looks nice. But let's take out this ponytail. Let's see what this... Wait. wait. Did y'all get that right? Hold on, let's see. Wait. Do y'all see you got the middle part action going on? You can, like them old people say, you can wear it every which of way. Okay, so if I didn't tell you, let me get in the camera. Woo, wait, where's she at? Okay, if I didn't tell you, that this was partially crocheted? What are you talking about? What? Would you know that if I hadn't told you? Next time I'm not telling y'all. I'm just gonna do it. Because y'all want to play with me. So next time I'm not gonna tell y'all. But, for real? For real? Is that not giving full head? You can do a ponytail. Oh, hold on. I gotta change the camera. Where the camera at? Yeah, okay. You can do a ponytail. 360. Where the crochet at? Where is it? I can't find it. Exactly. All right. So this is just a video and a few pictures of the results. If you like this video or similar videos, subscribe to me on YouTube. Also follow me on TikTok as Nene So Shy. And I'll list my other social medias in the description box. Thank you for watching.